By the time Wednesday rolls around, I'm dying for something sweet. And what's sweeter than a soft and springy key lime, and get this, basil pie. And it is perfect in this guy because it cooks up super evenly. I've got some ginger cookie crumbs, a little sugar, and get this, some lime zest to bring that zing into the crust. To bind everything together, melted butter. Now, I've greased and lined the springform pan, and that's gonna make our job super simple after. This pie is gonna come right out. And then you gotta use these guys for this. And I like a little edge on my crust because it's gonna hold all of that filling in there. A chilled crust is a firm crust. And now for my velvety sweet key lime and basil filling. Egg yolks for richness, sweetened condensed milk, tart lime juice, sour cream. The crust is nice and cooled, and it's nice and firm to the touch. And I mean, look at this. It's so smooth and rich. And key lime pie really is a special one to me. One year, my husband made me a key lime pie for my birthday. Now, I think that his mom helped him just a little bit, but it came from him. And ever since, key lime pie is one of my favorites. It's important that I smooth this out just a little to make sure it's even and it's gonna have a perfect cooking time. Now, this is a trick. A paper towel goes right over top. It makes sure that there's no condensation or water that goes into the actual pie. And a little aluminum foil holds everything in place. Now, I need just a little bit of water, but not enough that it's gonna actually touch the pie. Pressure's on. I can hardly wait. Look at how pretty this is. I love that pale yellow color. It's gorgeous. And I let this set and cool a little bit. It's ready for me to decorate. Now, I made myself a little bit of homemade whipped cream, but you can also get the real stuff in a can now. I'm putting a little extra ginger cookie crumb right over top and a little extra lime zest. Look how pretty the color is as soon as it hits that pie. And now for my favorite part, I get to try this. Have a look at this. All those layers of goodness. Can't wait to bite into this. My mouth's watering. It's creamy and smooth, and I love that tart lime in here. And the basil is actually sweet in this. It is so good. That crunch from the crust. It's sweet, and it has that lime zest in there. It's perfect.